Hello guys, this is Gabriel from Pixelite, and today I'll show you guys how you can set up Instadown in Visual Studio. What is Instadown? Instadown is a C# library made by Pixelite, which you can use to download Instagram images, videos, and get profile pictures and information from an Instagram account. So this tutorial is going to be in 3 parts. In part one, I'm going to show you how to actually set up the project. In part 2, I'm going to show you how you can download images and videos, and in part 3, I'm going to show you how you can take download profile picture or get information from an Instagram account. So let's get started. I'm using Visual Studio 2015, but you can use anyone you want. The library works for any Visual Studio you have, maybe 2017, 2019, or 2010. But most I recommend you have .NET Framework 4.5 installed in your computer for everything to go smooth. So I'm going to make a new project. Wait for a while. Take some time to load. Yeah. So going to Windows, close that. Going to Windows. Make a Windows Phone application. I'm going to call it Instadown testing. Test. Alright. Okay. You can let me put it on 4.6. Although you need to have 4.5 installed, I recommend it's not a must, but I recommend you have 4.5 installed for this library to work perfectly well. But I'm going to choose 4.6. See, everything is good. Click OK. So it's going to load. It's creating our project. So our project has been created. Right, let's wait for a while. Let's wait for a while. It's loading. Right, so we have our project already created. So first of all, let's go to our NuGet package explorer. I'm going to click Solution Explorer here and right clicking, and I'll click on Manage NuGet Package for Solution. So let's click that. So it's going to open a new window showing NuGet package. So I'm manager. So let's click. We're going to search for Instadown. Yeah. So you see, still download Instadown. It's C# like people downloading Instagram images and such like that. So I'm going to click on it, select it, so make sure this is ticked, and click install. So it's going to take some moments, some time. Make sure it will install newtonsoft.json 12.0.3 and also Instadown. So click OK. It should ask for license. Accept the license. I accept. Then wait, it's adding the package. So successfully installed. Everything is installed, is done. So let's go back and set up our project completely. So I'm going to drag this a little bit, and let's change the name of the form to, let's say, Instadown app. So that's good. Depends on you, can customize it any way you want, but I'm just going to leave it at that for this tutorial. Then make sure your form is selected. We are going to add a text box. Yeah. Yes. Just scale it. Let's format it to be center horizontally. I believe that's okay. We add a button. All right. And also center that horizontally. So write it a little bit. Let's see. center horizontal again, and let's change the text to probably download. All right, increase the size a little bit, depends on you once again. And let's add a label. Let's see, call this URL. Yeah, that's URL. And let's increase the font size. Let's give some like 12. Oh, mistake. 12. Yes, and that should be enough. So let's see, we have our so this is this, guys. We have set up our project. So in part 2, I'm going to show you how to download images with this library, and in part 3 we are going to do with profile pictures and information from an Instagram account. And in case you want to check out the project, is available on GitHub, you can check it out on our GitHub page. Let me open it. Alright, so let's go to github.com/Pixelite/Instadown. Yes. All right. So wait for it to load. You see, it's on Instagram. Sorry, mistake. It's on GitHub, which you can download this from. You can check how you can use it and all how the thing is made. So yeah. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.